If you want to change your voice in Audacity, whether that means making it deeper, higher, or just more professional sounding, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to adjust your voice using built-in Audacity effects, and I'll also explain a few settings that can make your audio sound much cleaner and more polished. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Audacity and load your voice recording into the project. Once your audio is on the timeline, press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select the entire recording. This is important because it makes sure every change you apply will affect the full vocal track. Now go to the Effect menu at the top of the screen. From there, click Pitch and Tempo, and then choose Change Pitch. This is the effect that lets you change how your voice sounds without changing the speed of the audio. That means your recording will stay in sync, but your vocal character can become deeper or higher depending on the settings you choose. If you want a deeper voice, move the % change slider to the left. If you want a higher voice, move it to the right. Even small changes can make a big difference, so it's a good idea to test a subtle adjustment first before going too extreme. Once you're happy with the result, click Apply to confirm the effect. At this point, your voice should already sound different, but we can take it a step further and make it sound more professional. Again, press Ctrl-A to select the full audio if needed, then click the Effect menu. This time, go to Volume and Compression and choose Compressor. Compression helps balance the loud and quiet parts of your voice, so it sounds smoother and more consistent. For a strong but natural result, set the threshold to -18 decibels and the ratio to 2:1. Those settings are a solid starting point for spoken voice recordings because they reduce harsh peaks while keeping your voice clear and controlled. After setting those values, click Apply. Now let's add a little more body to the voice. Open the Effect menu again, then go to EQ and Filters and click Filter Curve EQ. In the lower left corner, click Presets and Settings, then hover over Factory Presets. From there, choose Bass Boost and click Apply. This helps add warmth and low-end richness, which is especially useful if your microphone sounds thin or lacks depth. A lot of standard microphones can make voices sound a little flat, so this step can make a huge difference in how professional your audio feels. The reason these effects work so well together is simple. Change pitch adjusts the frequency without changing the playback speed, so your voice still lines up with the original recording. Then Bass Boost adds that fuller, broadcast-style tone that people usually associate with polished voiceovers. If you want to experiment even more, Audacity also gives you advanced tools like Vocoder or Distortion effects, which can create stylized sounds like robotic voices or metallic textures. Those are great if you're aiming for a creative effect rather than a natural one. Once you've finished adjusting everything, listen back to the full recording and make any final tweaks if needed. Sometimes just a small pitch change or a little less compression can make your voice sound much better. The key is to test, listen, and refine until the audio matches the style you want. And that's how to change your voice in Audacity using pitch, compression, and EQ to get a deeper, higher, or more professional sound. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.